Happy Taco Tuesday. We're here back on the Fox body. She's running pretty good. I just fired right up first turn, and I think what I'm going to do today is try to get that damn dinger disconnected. It's driving me nuts. And then I need to strip the rest of the inside back seat, plastic, stuff like that out. Try to locate what's really going on here with this trunk. It's so far what I've thought I've seen is not its factory, just little factory little marks, but I think it's still all on the passenger side causing this. I don't think there's any structural damage on this driver's side at all, as I've seen yet. So I'm gonna strip some more interior out and try to get deep inside there and see if I can find anything different. And then also get that damn dinger off, because I don't want to sit there with that dinger clicking every time I got the key ignition and I'm working on the thing. Okay. She seems to be running good, guys. She just fired right up, started idling like that, so probably need to get this thing pulled out too. The lens just kind of fell off. It's like the seal just kind of gave off of it. But yeah, I gotta figure out the reason here why this I haven't really located the exact problem, but maybe over here under this side I've seen some of this squished, and I can work that out. But I don't, unless this whole corner needs to be pulled out a little bit more and it'll tweak it back from this corner back this way. That's kind of what I'm seeing, but I need to get it in it and get a flashlight in there, get all the plastic crap out. But here we go. I'm gonna try it out. Alright, this is what I'm gonna try to remove real quick. I don't know about real quick. It'll be my first time, so in a Fox body. Let's get through it. Looks like this little screw, it's gonna be a pain in the butt to get to unless I put the top back. They broke this one. It was already loose, so I didn't know until now when I looked over. I was like, "Well, how did that one get out?" It was broke. So there's just two bolts holding this thing. This thing pretty much fell down off its little track. That was easy after tugging on it for a minute. Alright, I'm gonna try to get this top back. I've never had it back. Got one hinge loose. This one was sticking, so I put some I like deep creep. I love it. It's my favorite stuff. I've seen it work magic. Alright, I'm gonna pull this top back and see if I can get that one screw and get that plastic piece out. I have it figured out what I'm gonna do about the seat belt situation. Maybe just unbolt the whole seat belt system out with that plastic piece. Looks like it'd be a pain in the butt, which I want to get all this wire out anyways. Alright, deep creep, baby. She's still a little stiff, but she's getting better. Alright, looks like she's gonna go back. I'm gonna try to deep creep a little bit on all these little parts and stuff before I hit the button. I heard the motor work. I have not tried to use this thing, so let's see. That actually seemed to work. Motor works, goes up and down. I don't know exactly what I'm doing with this yet, so I have never owned a convertible, never messed with a convertible. And the keys, we call them tourist cars when we see all the people that rent the convertibles come down. and think there's something, but they all leave sunburned and red, looking like lobsters anyway. So, all right, yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna play around with this thing, see if I can get it to tuck any more, or if that's it. I don't know much about it. I gotta figure it out. Oh, it looks like, I don't know. But now I can get my piece out. Definitely gonna get that out. That's pretty cool. Gotta get this out. See, I can't have this. We'll get it. All right, while I just have this opened up, sitting here looking at like what is next, and it's a lot, but it's gonna happen. I think I'm gonna just take the whole top out in one piece, undo all the trim work wherever I can, because it needs to come out. This whole back bar probably needs to come out. And then I need to get to all this plastic stuff in here and try to see, but from what I can see, man, guys, I don't see any structural damage whatsoever back this far. I mean, not even in here. Now it does look like that trunk is slightly high, like up, so it might need to be pulled down and stretched out a little bit on that side right there to, we'll see. I don't know, but I gotta get some of this stuff off. That's not today, that's maybe tomorrow, maybe this week I'll start doing that. It's gonna be a lot. But I'm gonna keep focusing on getting these off. I was playing around with these. I hear it pumping, I hear them running. It's not going up and down, so I don't know if this little guy's jammed right here. I see it kind of moving back and forth. I go, but it's like locked up or something. So I don't want to continue and tear anything up. If it can be saved, then I'm definitely gonna try to save it. The driver and passenger side door windows, they are not going up and down, and I don't know if it's in the switches. Probably got rammed in, who knows. That'll be something else I'll look into, but I'd like to get them down or removed so we don't hurt them. But cool, I'm gonna focus on seat belts so I can get all this training stuff out the way and go from there. Check it out. This thing was clicking and clicking, popping up like this and just clicking. Didn't have enough tension on it to keep it pushed back. So I put a washer there. And it's working. I used a thin washer at first. It didn't didn't work too well. So I put the thicker one and it worked well as long as I kept pressure against it. So I'm gonna put it back together. I think this window is gonna be working properly. Well, I got that window working. I think I'm gonna call it quits after this. Maybe do the other one tomorrow. But I feel safer when the top's down. Those don't get broke. I haven't quite figured this out yet. Figured if I pop that through, then I might end up losing it, but I might be able to pull it down. But I don't even feel the wire for it. Oh, no, I don't feel the wire for it. I wouldn't imagine it's going to be much of a wire, just 2 or... I don't know. I'm gonna have to look into it because it's more troublesome than what it is. These are just some kind of speaker wires or something. I'd hate to just drop it in and then I can never do nothing with it. It's just dinging all the time. I'll have to look back into that. It's almost 5 here. Well, no, it's after 5. It's probably about 5:30, 5:45 here on Tuesday. I get off at 3:30, so I'll put as much time as I think I can in this thing after work. I got a lot done for the most part. Like I said, I'm gonna get this other window working. That way I can get them down if I'm working on it. I'm gonna look into removing all this whole system. I need to get it out anyways. I'm gonna have to remove the trim. Try to do it safely, nicely, and repurpose all this. So yeah, that's where we're at. Get it out the way. We don't want to be welding and chopping and grinding with that thing in the way anyways. So mostly bolt it. Looks like I'm gonna have to drill out some of these rivets. No big deal. We'll get it. I'm gonna call it quits. Go make some tacos before my wife gets home. She's running a little late. They got a big construction job going on in Alamorada. So she travels through that every day, and it's been taking her a lot longer than usual to get home. So gives me more time to work on this. It's fine. Well, you guys have a great day. Happy Taco Tuesday.